Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the outfit combo that will perfectly channels Christina Aguilera's glamorous style in the MTV VMAs 2002. So if you want to create the most iconic red carpet look of Christina, you can just watch my steps in here. So let's just get started. So for starter, these are the hair that I use for the look. You can use this long braids here and also this locks here along with this long wavy hair. And for the color, I'm using black color and also this color in here. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to put on this top right here. So for the color here, I'm going to just use this patterns for the top, this one. Then I'm going to also put on this top, and for this top in here you can use the same color like the skin tone. Okay, next you can just head to the men's section and put on this hat, toggle it into number 2 and change the color to white and make the material leather. Okay, now you can just head to here, put on this shoe, toggle it into knee length. Then for the bottom you can just use this skirt in here, make it denim, and then put on this hat, this parrot in here in leather and white color. We can just put on some accessory here, put on this bracelet, and then put on this scarf and use the same patterns like this top. So it will go like this. Then you can just go to the dressing room and put on the eyelashes. And now the Christina Aguilera look is done, and this is the final look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.